Hi guys, I just wanted to check in and show you guys how you can export to Canvas even though you have an imported Canvas. So like data stock papers that's graded in Frizzle, you can still export to Canvas even though I don't know either the papers are in Frizzle. What to do is just sign in. I'm sure you guys send by through that. Make sure you sign with your LMS. That's so that you're connected to your Canvas account. It'll take a second here. I'll click my Canvas account and I'll log in with that. Cool, perfect. Now I'll just upload, let's say, 2 pages just for 2 students. Uh, I'll go ahead and grade them, and they'll be dated. Second. So while these things are grading, right, we can just go away and it'll grade in the background. Uh, what we'll do is we'll go to our class roster, right here, and this is how you can attach a class from Canvas. Um, you'll see a blank page when you first come here, but what you'll go to is go to import from LMS. It'll go fetch your classes from Canvas. You select the class you want. You can view the students in their bus as well, just to confirm which class you want. Sync that class. What that'll do is it'll sync all the students over to Frizzle. It was already done here, but you can see that here now I have this class. We have the students in the class. This orange thing is that this class is tied to an LMS, and this orange hat means that this student is tied to that LMS, right? These students we've added manually, they're not tied to the LMS. You can do it if you want, but we don't recommend it, right? Now, we have this class, we have these students in the class, and we have their LMS connection as well. So we've done that. Now what we can do is we can go back to grading history, check out that worksheet that we just graded. Should be done. Give it a second refresh. This page is done. Take a look at it. Lovely. Correct. Have this new LaTeX. Love it. And then we'll wait for this one to be done as well. It's done. Beautiful. We'll just take a look to make sure everything's good. Looks good to me. Now what we'll do is we can select a class. We'll select that same class that we just imported from Hat. So for the class, then you can select students. Again, this orange hat tells you that that students connect to Canvas. Select those students. Orange level 1, orange level 2. Save it. And then once you save, you can export to LMS. You can here now you can select the give the assignment a name, right? So fractions practice 2. Give it a description you can want, fractions. Give it a due date. This is just for Canvas. Just you can make it a date to pass, really, whatever you want. You can, and then you can change the grading type as well, right? Right now, we only really support points. In the future, we can, if you want, we can test out percent, pass, fail, letter grade in. Right now, it's just points. This assignment, I think, is out of 5 points, so we'll have points out of 5, and we'll click create. What that'll do is that'll create a new assignment in your Canvas account for that specific class, and it'll have each student added to that assignment as well automatically. Then it'll go through and upload each student's work back to Canvas. Give that a second. And once it's back in Canvas, you should be able to have the students view their work in Canvas from there. I'll show you what Canvas looks like in a second. Well, lovely. Perfect. So we see that those assignments have been exported. What we'll do now is go to Canvas. I'll have this, but go to assignments. No. And then here we'll see the assignment we just added right there. Fraction practice 2. That's the one. We'll go to it, and am I logged in as a student? Yeah, I'm logged in as a student. But as you can see, your student, I'm logged in as a student, but you see the students already have this. They can go here and view their graded work at this PDF. And it'll have the graded work there. So it'll have a little summary and then the graded one. If you want to change what you export, we can feel free to let us know. We can add a setting or two to change your export. They'll see their graded work there. It's all connected
And a lot of the students, so I've seen better and see exactly what they see when they see it. They see a new assignment, your description here, your title here, and they'll see their PDFs here in a Evora. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions or have any issues working it.
I'm happy to help. Thanks and see you then.